Hello everyone, welcome back to Chic Spaces. Today we have Mr. Niranjan, the owner of this beautiful 3 BHK house, joining us to talk about the interiors and the experience of these Chic Spaces.
Thanks very much. The moment I moved into this space, when I was looking at it, it was a 3-bedroom, and when we moved in, I saw Chic Spaces sticker on my window. I chose him, and then I met him, and after that we didn't look backwards. We merged and we weaved together, we planned our hues and cries together, and we brought about the interiors of what you are seeing in the visuals. The experience that we went through is in this 2 months, I was more or less here or in Bangalore, and we would also merge together, make our plans through WhatsApp and through all the visuals, and also we did a couple of our output of this place together that way.
Great. So if I have to ask you, what is your favorite place in the house? What would you choose?
Amrit, I love to say that I like my bedroom the best because it's just now 2 of us. My daughter's working in Bangalore, so it's only 2 of us, and it's the largest room in the apartment. So we love chic spaces. We like our large spaces too.
Right. I definitely love your master bedroom, but we cannot deny the kitchen colors what we have, the pastel green, the black profile.
Yes, my wife preferred to go into the pastel green because she's very enviro-friendly, and she would love to see that all greens are made in a green kitchen.
It was pleasure working with you, sir. With this, I would let you guys take a tour of this new 3 BHK, a beautiful serene home, a white house, and do let us know about your favorite chic space in the comments below. Thank you.